Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, can you ask her father why they don't make one thing church and African tradition do at the same time? Fikile mother asked his child why Nkululeko take DNA result, but Nkululeko it seems like can't believe that Fikile is his sister. Nompi asked MaNdlovu whether Nkululeko relationship with Fikile is over and learned that Nkululeko has taken a DNA sample from Fikile. Do you think will be easy to Nkululeko to accept the situation or Fikile? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.